Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about full-time remote job opportunity. This is a data researcher job with Forbes advisor, and here you will be working remotely. Now let's check out about the company. So Forbes Marketplace provides consumers with journalist and expert written insights, news and reviews on all things personal finance. Our goal is to help small and medium businesses make informed decisions by providing them with the knowledge and research they need. We are so the company is seeking a data researcher to join their team and assist their editorial team in creating top quality content. In this role, you will provide comparative analysis on the market and ensure the quality and accuracy of data collection and analysis for products and services relevant to SMBs, with a focus on software. Your research and analysis will be a key component of making trustworthy, relevant assessments of products and services and will help thousands of businesses and make informed decisions about the products and services they use. So, during this role, you will be helping to manage a small team of in-house researchers responsible for responsible for assigning projects and monitoring progress. You will be liaising with the data research team leads, editorial, and SEO teams to address challenges, fulfill data requests, and deliver analysis used to produce editorial content on the marketplace websites. Leveraging project management and data skills, you will help the SMB division deliver actionable insights on time with an eye to grow the capability and capacity of the SMB research team. Now let's check out about the skills and expertise that the company is looking for their data researchers. So they are looking for people with 3 to 5 years of research experience, including 1 to 2 years as an analyst, along with team management skills. The person should be able to leverage project management skills to ensure consistent and on-time delivery across a range of projects and teams with differing and at times conflicting priorities and deadlines. You should have experience managing research teams and working as part of a cross-departmental international team. You should have experience working as part of an analyst team, producing actionable insights from data. You are able to identify areas for improvement in team members' output and work processes and work with people to provide supportive coaching and feedback. You should be able to take pride in developing specialist product knowledge, becoming a main point of contact and source of information while keeping business needs in mind. You should have experience with or exposure to enterprise software and solutions used and sought by SMBs. You should have previously communicated data findings to project stakeholders via dashboards and data visualizations using software such as Tableau, and you are mindful of maintaining a supportive working environment conducive to helping colleagues and direct reports understand the current state of projects, keeping communication channels clear and open. And here are the qualifications that the company is looking for. You should have degree in a relevant field such as business or economics or equivalent training and experience. You should be proficient in using Google Sheets or Excel for data analysis and manipulation. You should be proficient in SQL, Python, and or Tableau for data manipulation and visualization. So Forbes Marketplace is an equal opportunity employer and prohibits discrimination and harassment of any kind. We are committed to creating a diverse and inclusive work environment and welcome candidates from all backgrounds. So no matter which community from where you belong or which community you belong, the company is an equal opportunity employer, and no matter what is your background, you can apply for the job. Now here's the list of roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working as a data researcher with Forbes Advisor. So you will be reviewing data, as a data researcher, you will be reviewing editorial data requests for feasibility, usability, and scalability. So as a data researcher, you will be reviewing editorial data requests for feasibility, usability, and scalability. You need to leverage a team of researchers to collect product and service data with a focus on products for SMBs. You need to perform analysis on collected data to identify top quality products and services for SMBs. You need to deliver analysis to the business against tight deadlines whilst ensuring accuracy and quality. So basically research projects have tight deadlines, and it is very important to ensure accuracy and maintaining the quality of the reports and the data. So You need to develop and implement processes for quality control, performing checks on data gathered by the research team, and actioning identified errors. You need to communicate with the data research team leads and editorial teams to maintain transparency about the research process, stages of analysis, and any hurdles to meeting delivery deadlines. You need to review editorial content resulting from work product for accuracy and completeness. So that's it about the roles and responsibilities. So if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, you can apply for the job. And this is a great opportunity to work as a data researcher with Forbes advisor. So here, to fill up the application form, you can provide your resume and provide your personal information, for example, your name, email ID, then place of residence, where do you reside, and then phone number. And you need to add your experience, work experience, and then education. And here you need to provide your LinkedIn's URL or any other URL related to like your Twitter URL or Facebook or website. So this is optional. And then attach your resume here and message to hiring manager. So if you in this box, you need to provide the answer for like they are asking for let the company know about your interest working there. You can provide your interest to work with the company. Now that's it. So if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.